Summer is almost near, so I'm going to make some summer food, hot dogs, Dutch ones. Now you might be wondering what makes a hot dog a Dutch hot dog. Well, first of all, I'm going to use chicken sausages for this recipe. If you want a nice smoky flavor, you can make this recipe on the barbecue, of course. But I don't have a barbecue, so I'll be doing everything in my kitchen instead. Either way, make sure your meat is well cooked, especially since we're using chicken and you do not want to eat raw chicken. How long you have to cook your meat, of course, depends on how big your sausages are. Dutch recipes often have something sweet and sour, or just sour ingredients, and a little bit of cheese. In this case, I'll be using piccalilli. If you don't know what piccalilli is, it is a sweet and sour sauce made out of chopped vegetables that have been boiled in vinegar and then combined with some spices and mustard. If people are interested, I might make a video on how to make your own piccalilli. And for this recipe, I'll be using some grated cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want for this recipe, but cheddar is a nice option. Before I put together my hot dogs, I'm first going to make a little sauce from 2 teaspoons of mayo combined with 1 teaspoon of mustard. This amount should be enough for the 2 hot dogs I'm going to make today. To construct the hot dog, get yourself some nice crispy bread. Either roast it on a barbecue, or buy it as it is, or make it in the oven if it's not done yet. You can of course use hot dog bread as well if you like it more. Spread your mustard mayo into the bread. Like so. Add a layer of piccalilli, your chicken meat sausages, and your cheese. And there you go, Dutch style hot dogs for a nice summer day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.